How to fix cannot open camera, check your phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, tap on about phone and check for any updates available for your device. So here, as you can see on the screen, it says no updates available. So we're going to go back and then scroll down and tap on the apps. Then tap on manage apps, and as you tap on it, tap on the search bar and search for camera. Now as you search for camera, now let the app just pop up over here, and as you search for camera, tap on it and tap on clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then clear the cache and tap on OK. Go to the app permissions and make sure that you're given access to all the required options over here. After that, you can just see if your camera has worked. If not, you can just make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might help you fix your camera issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.